The bodies of 8 Mitai hostages, including women and children, were handed over to their families today following an extended wait for forensic and procedural clearances. The bodies was retrieved from Assam's Silchar Medical College and Hospital SMCH, where they had been awaiting examination. The deceased were identified as Yurembab Rani Devi, age 60, Telem Thoibi Devi, age 31, Laishram Haitombi Devi, age 25, Telem Tajmanbi Devi, age 8. Laishram Chinkhaingan Singh, age 2.5 years, Laishram Langamba Singh, 8 months, including the 2 elderly men, Laishram Baren Maitri and Maibam Kesu. People from the Maitai community arrived at the premises of the hospital to take the bodies home in Ziribam. Earlier on yesterday, a joint action committee JAC representing the families of the 8 Maitai victims in Ziribam, including 6 women and children killed in captivity, reached an agreement with the government of Manipur. The family accept the bodies and conduct the last rites today following key assurances from Chief Minister N. Biren. The state government has assured the JAC that the case will be handed over to the National Investigating Agency NIA for a comprehensive investigation into the killings.